Meanwhile, trainer Gary Subratie also had a successful day on the international scene, having won the 5th event on the 10-race card at Gulfstream Park in Florida. His 9-2 chance, Samaritan's Joy with Hall of Fame jockey Javier Castellano, romped to victory in the claiming contest for fillies and mares. A 3-year-old ended up over 7 furlongs on the dirt for a purse of $40,000.
Second, the favorite needs to do better than that. Littletown Street is back to third, 2 better than Dakota's Little Aurora, then calling the shots. Less than a quarter of a mile to come, and Samaritan's Joy and Castellano striding forward to take the lead. Boombox Betty is back to second, but this leader's got a kick, and it looks like a winning kick. It's Samaritan's Joy, an eighth of a mile out, finding plenty. Calling the shots has rallied well to try to get into second with Boombox Betty and Dakota's Little Aurora. Samaritan's Joy for Subratie to win by 6.
Samaritan's Joy is owned by the Jamaican-based Trevor James.